Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Jill City Budgets. In today's video, I have $90 in prop money, and I have my saving challenges here that I am saving for holidays, subscriptions, and emergency savings. So let's get into it. How are you guys doing? I have on my robe today because it is freezing. We went in Ohio from beautiful upper 60s to wet and rainy all week. Well, for the past 3 days. And it is really cold. It is chilly and I am not turning my heat back on. No. So we have here, let me get stuff out the way. This I am saving for Easter. And this is created by Snowgarner 307. Every day do something that will inch you closer to a better tomorrow. I agree with that. So this says 75, amounts 5 through 10. So 4. Let's start here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we have a 6. Perfect. So 5 and 6. Next we are saving for is Mother's Day. You made it through the storm. Brighter days are ahead. This is created by Bookish Mama Budget, says 55. So 1. So let's go here. And this is amounts 3 through 7, and we got a 5. Perfect. So $5. I'm just going to do 1 right now and then try to make it through the whole binder, and then I will come back around. All right. This is created by Budget with Carly, says $50, and this is going towards Father's Day. So 1, go here, and that is a 4. 2 and 4. Next, we have Memorial Day. And this is created by Budget with Carly. New Year, New Dreams. Save $70. 2, 1, and 2. Ooh, and that is a 9. $9. So 5, 7, and 9. Next is Thanksgiving. And this is created by Stuffing Budgets. This is the beginning of anything you want. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is $6. 6. 5 and 6. Next is Black Friday. And this is created by Jamie Arian Budgets. And I don't know what this saves. So this is a mystery save. 4. So let's go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that is a 5. Perfect. And chip away. And this is I am saving for my subscriptions, which I already paid my Amazon subscription because I had look in my sinking funds and I had enough money to cover that. So what's in here is going to go towards my my a subscription for my butcher box for my fresh meats for the summer so I can start barbecuing. Yes, I love to barbecue. So let's go ahead and color in a money sign. All right. And let's get our chips. And this is created by Mystic Budgets, Miss Mail. All right. Uh-oh. And I will have all the creators listed down below. So let's roll. Oh my goodness. Calm down. I know I'm excited to play chip away. So let's roll our die. So we have a 3, a 1, a 1, and a 3. All right. I don't know why it's hard to pick up these 4-sided die, but it is. So we got 4, 1, 2, and 2. Oh dear. Oh my goodness. We have 3, another 3. Oh, and another. Oh, we don't have another 3 and a 1. So I'll have to roll one of these 3s. Hopefully I get a 4 or a 2 or a 1. If not, I'll lose that chip. Okay, but we got a 1. I'd rather for it be a 4, but what are the odds of that? Last round. We have 4, 4, 4, and 2. Okay. 4, 4. I don't have another 4, but I do have a 2. Let's roll one of these 4s again. See if we can get a magic 2. And we did. We got 2. So look at that. We are saving $4. So let's see. Do I have $1 in here? I do. So let's put one of these dollars away and grab a 5. And this is the chip away mini. So this is like low budget, but it gets the job done. It sure does. I kind of want to, should I play that again? Yeah, let's play it again. Let's play it again. All right, let's color another one in. All right. All right. All right, chip away. Don't do me dirty. Come on now. All right. We have 4, a 2, a 1, and a 2. We have a 3, a 1, 3, a 1, a 4, and a 4. Perfect. We have 2, a 1, another 1, and a, oh no, not another 4. Let's roll this 4. Come on, 3. Yes, we got a 3. Okay. Last round. All right. Let's see. We got, oh dear, 2 4s. We got to roll them, a 3 and a 1. Okay. Come on, chip away. Let's get a 3 and a 2. And we got 2 4s. Wow, we lost both of these chips. Chip away, I told you, don't do me dirty. All right, so we got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, $9. Do we got another $1? No. So $9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I actually want to get, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And put this 10 here. Perfect. Let's do it like that. 1. Okay. All right. Not bad. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more plays. And I think if I make an order with Butcher Box, I believe I think it's $192. So that is awesome. All right, let's put all that in here so we won't lose anything. Uh-oh. Perfect. All right, and let's go to What the Duck. So this is created by Snow Garner 307, and this is The Life of a Duck Named What. So we still got, how much should I put in here? Should I just put, let's roll 8-sided die, because I can't never make up my mind. Scoot over. 5. Okay, $5. Let's go ahead and do that. And this goes towards my emergency fund. So $5. All right. And let's go back to the beginning. All right. Let's go back here. Let's see. 3. I don't remember where we left off. I'm just going to go 1, 2, and 3. And that's a 5. So we got, so 5. I'm going to put this 5 back and grab this 10. Perfect. And this one for Mother's Day. So 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that is a 6. Or 6. So 5 and 6. Let's put these 2 5s back and grab this last 10. And Father's Day. 3, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that's an 8. 5, 7, and 8. All right. Memorial Day. 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's a 5. Perfect. All right. Do we have Thanksgiving? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that is a 3. Do I know? No, this is a mystery save. Okay. $3. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, got about $10 left. All right, so we have this big boy. Let's see. We got one. Let's go here. Ooh. Wow, $9. And what else I had? 10. Hopefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, I got $1 to spare. And with that $1, can't play chip away, but that is okay. We are going back to What the Duck and put that $1 here, color in one of these clouds here. And that is perfect. I think I used this one. And yeah, like I said, this go towards the emergency funds. All right. Perfect. All right, so let's see how much did each one get. So What the Duck today got the $6. Chip away. Well, I had to make change, but I am putting in $14. All right. Black Friday got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. I can't wait to see how much that saves. Thanksgiving got 5, 6, 7, 8, $9. Memorial Day got 5, 10, $14. Father's Day today got 5, 9, $10, right? 2, 4. No, girl, count that again. Oh goodness. So we got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. Okay, get it together. I'm telling you, them $2 bills be throwing me off. All right. Mother's Day got $11. And Easter got $11. Perfect. All right, that was $90 put into my holiday sinking funds. And that is all I have. Thanks, Gems, for the love and support. If you have not already, feel free to subscribe to the channel and share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, Gems.